Okay, so if you get anxiety about speaking in front of people, getting up on stage, even getting up in front of a few people at your office, it's totally normal. And I'm going to let you in on a little secret. I still get nervous. I still get nervous. Even sometimes when I'm on this phone talking to you live, I get nervous. I'm about to moderate this huge event next week, and I'll be posting more about it. This group reached out to me and wanted me to interview this panel of people, and it's talking about issues that are well beyond my everyday understanding. I am nervous. I'm stressed. I'm thinking about all the things. But here's what I know that's worked for me every single time that I have gotten in front of people over my many years in TV and even today. Take the time to prepare. I'm talking about research the heck out of the people that you are talking to, know your audience, know your topics, and really boil it down to like the most simple talking points, like 3 to 5 talking points. Or for me, it's going to be 3 to 5 questions that I really want to make sure that I cover, and then I'm going to fill in the rest. The other thing is to listen. So when you're speaking to people, it's not about you, right? It's about them. And sometimes that even takes the weight off my shoulders. This isn't about me. This is about them and interviewing someone else and listening to what these people have to offer. The more you can prepare ahead of time and not just wing it. I have never winged, is that a word? Winged anything in my career, ever. It's always been planned out, including what I'm going to wear, my makeup, and my scripts.